How do you tackle learned helplessness in your classroom? Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm a primary teacher of 10 years and I'm the founder of Teacher Advice Hub. In recent years, I have noticed that learned helplessness, while never a term I'd heard of before, has definitely increased within the classroom. While we can consider COVID or perhaps the rise of technology helping assist our lives as a reason for why learned helplessness has increased in the classroom, my question to you is how do you solve it when it appears? My understanding of what learned helplessness is when children are not prepared to find a solution for themselves. We see it in their learning, for example, if you're doing maths and words problems, but it can also be with just day-to-day things. For example, children coming up to you and going, my pen doesn't work. I've got to the bottom of the page, what do I do now when I'm writing? I can't do this when they've not even read it. My solution is to allow the children to problem solve and to verbalise the question that they actually need to ask in order to get to the end of their solution. So for example, my pen doesn't work, I will not just offer them up another pen. I might say, oh dear, what can we do about that? Now, a lot of the times the children will just say, well, could I borrow one? Some children really don't know what to do when you pose it back to them. So, is there a question that you could ask me that could allow a solution to your problem? Questions like I don't get it when they haven't even read the work, perhaps respond with, okay, what skills or techniques could you use to help you answer that problem? And they might find it tricky and you can give them ideas. Why don't you highlight the question to help you understand it better? This is great for when children haven't actually read the question in the first place. And perhaps you could direct them towards a working wall if you're in a lesson that has some stuff on there that they could use, or perhaps you could direct them towards a previous bit of learning that they've got in their book, or maybe a bit of the lesson, the warm-up, something on the board that you did, perhaps that they can use to help them. Rather than telling them what they need to do, they need to use the tools around them to get to their solution. So what do you do to help prevent learnt helplessness in your classroom?